Previously on McLeod's Daughters.
My organic wheat seeds, they'll be moved before you know it.
You said wheat, you never said organic.
Well, apart from making good business sense, they're environmentally friendly and organic produce sells for 20% more, so I just thought it'd be...
Wouldn't the whole property have to be chemical-free?
I know another local farmer is looking to go organic.
Great.
He's got a few scars, but nothing you can't get past. It's a little help.
Despite your claims to the contrary, you're in love with Nick. But we're together now, him and me.
Jodi, come back!
I will leave.
You love it here.
I love it with you. Without you, I don't think so.
Hey!
Yeah, we're riding.
No, we're kicking. She loves it.
You know what I reckon?
Yeah?
I'll get one of those baby on board stickers for Eagle's bum. What do you think?
In front of our friends, I profess my love for you, Terry. You're a wonderful man. And you make me feel very special. I feel so lucky to have you back in my life.
Nine-year-old registered second cross quarter horse mare. Looks all right. With behavioural problems that I can fix.
G'day, g'day. Surprise, surprise. Jack said you wanted to borrow a horse flat.
Oh, we need more horses to train. Sale's the best place to get them cheap.
If we buy the right animal, Claire.
I do know a bit about horses, Alex.
You want to get a hot dog, Beck?
Yeah, sure.
So why didn't you tell me you're going to be here?
Oh, g'day, you two. Congratulations. Tying the knot, I hear.
No, we're not actually.
Oh, right, yeah. Moving in together then.
No plans, Neon.
Oh, I could have sworn that Harry said...
That's why. Too many explanations.
Makes me sick. Old horses deserve better than ending up dog meat.
Yeah, right. The vultures have arrived.
Good pickings today, I reckon.
What?
That horse?
Yeah, he's a beauty, isn't he?
Yeah. He's worth about $500,000. And he's supposed to be dead.
It'll take some time to find your heart and come back home. You could walk for miles, cross every river and find you're not alone. 'Cause I'll be there.
Well, it used to be a racehorse, all right, but not the one you want. Jezebel, Red Koshek family stud, 1994. Eighth horse born out of Princess Yaza by Dewhurst Classic.
Not according to this.
Let me see.
Who are you, anyway?
Jake Harrison, I work out at Killarney.
Buying any horses today?
No.
Then you're wasting my time.
I'm telling you, that horse...
Mate, I'm busy.
Tess, we do have a door, you know.
Do you know what time it is?
If it's before lunch, it's too early.
Look at your eyes. You don't have bags, you've got a luggage rack.
Well, look, if certain persons would let me sleep.
Look, I said having fun helps a broken heart, but every night since Alberto left...
It's called living.
Yeah, well, sometimes too much living can kill you. Maybe you need to slow down just a bit.
Look,
I'm single. I'm free. I'm enjoying myself.
Well, you won't enjoy yourself if you don't get paid.
Hey, I'm getting my jobs done.
Good, you can start by feeding the stock. I've got to go over to Wilgal.
That's Mum's job.
She's on her honeymoon.
Of course.
Always wanted to go to the Bahamas.
So have I. Just never got around to booking the ticket. What do you fancy doing today?
I don't know. Maybe a stroll down to the beach or snorkeling, spot of sightseeing.
Maybe, or maybe...
Mum, have you seen the keys to the tractor?
On the hook in the shed.
No, I looked there. I looked everywhere.
Try the ignition.
Except there. Thanks.
Now, where were we?
About to catch the plane home.
Well, I think it's just been delayed.
Yeah, but did you actually see the vet pull the trigger? He's here, Damien. He's alive. Well, can you get over here? Yeah? All right. Okay. Yeah? Hello?
Who's Damien?
He's the manager at the Koshak Stud. I used to work there.
Get around, don't you?
Well, I was there when Jezebel was born. You know, I got to know that horse really well. But then I heard he got sick and he had to be put down.
Why would anyone lie about that?
It's a fancy way to steal the horse, I reckon. Check out the brand.
Yeah, 7F7.
The Koshak family stud brand was 717.
And your point being?
It's pretty simple, huh?
Yeah, but it still doesn't prove anything.
Okay. Hey, Jezebel. Hey, boy. Yes, good boy, huh? Yeah, you're Jezebel, aren't you? Good boy. Good boy.
How long till harvest, do you reckon?
Not much longer.
End of an era. Unless you want to try organic sunflowers next.
Why sunflowers?
Low maintenance, high yield, stable price for the crop, and wouldn't all those gorgeous flowers look great in this paddock?
Yeah.
Morning.
You reckon? Day's up, gone.
Hey, after a week of slaving over hot sports injuries, I'm entitled to a sleep in. Anyway, we can still make it.
Make what?
Lunch in Gungo, and you deserve a break too.
I can't, not today.
Well, think of it more as work. We've got to get supplies anyway.
Next week, eh? I've got too much on.
Yeah, sure. You're busy.
Yeah?
Well, I gotta go. You want me to get that info off the net?
Info?
Yeah. Sunflowers. Or we could do linseed or organic oats or...
Or we could get the wheat harvested first.
No sense rushing in.
No sense at all.
Go on, ladies and gentlemen, there's pure whale of blood in this little horse. He's as tough as they come. Do I hear 130? Yes, 130. 130 on bid on lot 201. Do I hear 140? Yes, $140. 150, thanks, Gino. 150, 150, 150.
I'm about as attractive as a gold chain on a hairy chest at the moment, Claire.
What?
The whole baby thing. Every woman in town thinks her an item now. I'm turning blue trying to explain we're not.
And it'll sink in.
You could help with it.
What? But take your little black book and give them all a call.
170 from Gino again. And 180 down here in front. Any advance on 180? Going once. Going twice. And sold to Claire McLeod of Drover's Run.
Now, that's what I call a bargain.
You got rocks in your head?
What was I supposed to do? Leading up his dog meat?
don't suppose you're free for lunch?
You're asking me?
Well, it seems stupid for us not to be friends.
Yeah.
So, lunch? My shout?
It's a great idea, but today's not good. We're busy.
You know, I thought things would be more laid back in the country, but you all work like maniacs. I had more time with Nick when I lived in the city.
You see him every day, don't you?
Yeah, but not for long, and all we ever talk about is the farm.
Well, don't forget the weather. Gotta learn to change the subject. We'll learn more about wheat.
It's early days and we're already in a rut. Work, eat and have sex day after day.
Oh, yeah, it must be hell.
I just wish that we could, you know, sit down and talk sometimes. But I don't want to nag the boy.
Nick's the kind of guy who likes the kind of girl who knows what she wants. Who just says what she thinks.
So, just come out with it, you reckon?
Choose your moment, but yeah.
Thanks for the advice.
Hey, when it comes to anyone else's tough life, I'm the expert. Come on.
Quite carefully. That was the plan. Remember? You put 2 nags and the biggest dog in the whole place.
Look, a bit of decent feed, plenty of TLC. You might surprise us yet.
Yeah? And what are you going to do, Claire? Run him in next year's Stockman's challenge?
I couldn't let him go to meat, all right?
What has got into you? Huh? You know you can't save them all.
I could save one more. 2 floats, 3 horses.
Come on, Schindler. Get in the car, will you?
Hey, I found a horse I know. You're worth picking up.
Yeah?
Got enough horses for the day, Jake.
But this one's a thoroughbred. He's a real beauty.
Huh? Well, if there's any good, we can't afford him now. Get us over to drivers, will you? I'll drive Claire.
I can drive myself.
Get in the car, Claire.
What do we do now?
How much money have you got on you?
Not much. Why?
Maybe they'll take a credit card.
1,000! I have $1,000 bid for this thoroughbred colt. Any advance on 1,000? 1,200, thank you, sir.
13.
Jake!
1,300, I have $1,300 to bid. $1,500.
16.
1,600 to bid.
Roll, brain, you don't have that kind of cash.
You can get it.
Where?
17. 18.
1,800, it's with the young man. 1,900, once, twice, sold.
2,000. Oh, here.
Mate, it's over.
Hey, I was still bidding.
Got to be quicker next time.
Sorry. Wasn't your fault. It was rigged from the start.
So tell the police.
Got no proof.
Get some.
There you go. The rest will be...
As discussed, yeah.
Hey! That auction was bogus. I'm reporting both of you.
Reporting what? Get out of here.
I was the highest bidder. I want that horse.
You weren't quick enough. Bad luck.
You and me, mate. Down at the police station. Let's sort it out there.
I'll sort you out right here.
Come on.
Now get out of it, both of you. Now, fair auction. End of story.
Can't stall him any longer.
He won't go in.
I warned you, we recognised the horse. Papers are perfect. Stop worrying. Look, I don't know anything about this. If anybody asks, I don't even know you. Do what you like.
How many years do you get for stealing a horse?
We're saving, not stealing.
I hope you're right.
Terry, you know, we've already had our honeymoon of sorts.
Best sort, you know, lots and lots of...
But we haven't really talked about what happens next.
Something changed, Meg?
Well, yeah, of course it has. I think you should move in.
For good. That's a big step.
But we already know what happens when the honeymoon's over.
You start fanning the beetroot.
You start crunching ice blocks.
You reckon we could handle it?
I reckon.
Might take me a while to pack up my stuff.
That's all right. It'll give me a chance to clear a space in the wardrobe.
You sure?
Yes, Terry. I'm sure. Don't squash my lay.
No, leave it on. You might play hard to get.
Well, that might be a good thing if someone spots him.
Let's hope they don't. If Claire finds out, this is worth my job.
Well, I can't keep him at Killarney. It's just for one day till Damien gets here.
If he gets here.
He'll come. He promised me that... Well, he said he'd do his best. You do believe me, don't you?
I believe that you believe it. When I was searching for Brett, you were with me. I owe you a bit of horse rustling at least.
I'm right about this horse. I've got to get back to work.
I'll get him some feed. Can't have a thoroughbred going hungry, can we?
Thanks.
Welcome to McLeod Ryan Sanctuary for broken down nags.
There is nothing broken down about that one.
Yeah, it wanna be the price we paid for it.
I reckon we did pretty well myself.
$800 for this tub of lard.
What makes you think it's lard? Yep, 2 for the price of 1.
Yeah, so much for the quick profit.
Think of it as a long-term investment.
Listen, Claire, it's my short-term bank balance I'm worried about here. While Missy's out there eating our grass and doing nothing.
It's my grass, and she's not doing nothing. She's gestating.
All right, that hard for a horse, is it?
That's hard work for any female.
Believe me, Missy, not as hard as it is on the blokes.
Hey, top wire was broken. I know you got cattle in there, so...
What are you today, the good fairy?
No, it's our fence too, I
No,
thought.
I don't mean the fences. You've been talking to Sal.
We had a little chat, yep.
I like women that know what they want, apparently. Anything else about me you discussed?
Nick, it wasn't...
Swap some notes on my scars?
No, and you should be talking to your girlfriend, not me. That's what all this is about.
That's your diagnosis, is it?
Why don't you ask Sally? I mean,
Look, if you two want to be friends, that's great. But when it comes to comparing what you've got in common, just leave me out of it. Okay?
No, from where? Must be Brumbies.
Yeah, I think it is.
Damn, they're probably looking for mares. Last thing we need is a non-organic Brumby in our wheat. Tess, I gotta warn Nick.
Shoot! Go on, scat! Go! Shoot! Shoot!
Well, how did they get in?
I might have left the gate open, but the sheep weren't anywhere near here.
Brilliant. 7 months' work down the plug hole. Thank you very much.
I took your advice.
What?
I came out to learn more about wheat. I'm sorry.
Well, come on before they ate the lot for lunch. Come on. Come round this way. That's it, and push them up.
Would you mind if Terry was around a bit more?
More than he already is.
Yeah. If he moved into the cottage, would that be okay?
That's your business.
Oh! Oh, Claire, are you all right?
Oh, no, look, Claire, he doesn't have to move in.
Claire, what are you doing? Are you hurt?
I don't think so.
No, you stay here. I'll call the doctor.
I'm not hurt.
Then what's up?
I fell over, haven't you? And cried before me and you've fallen over.
Well, yeah. I was about 7.
He's done a runner.
How?
Jumped out, nearly took the gate with him. I followed his tracks onto Wilgall.
You know anything about a missing horse?
Lost one, have you?
Well, not me, but this bloke turned up at Killarney. Reckons someone stole his horse from the sales this morning. Wants to talk to you about it.
Yeah? Why me?
Well, he didn't say. That fee got anything to do with it?
Nah.
Well, I hope you know what you're doing.
It's a guy from the auction. It's got to be.
Didn't waste any time tracking you down.
I've got to find Jezebel now.
Here, you take this. Pick me up in 5.
Okay.
Hey, as soon as the last one's through, shut the gate.
Right. We did it.
You're angry with me. Visitors always leave the gate open. It must be in the job description.
I'm not a visitor. There weren't many sheep. Can't be much damage.
Damage doesn't matter. It's a contamination from animals, from chemicals. We can't call it organic wheat now, so the harvest price drops.
But it's huge and only a few sheep.
Yeah, but look at all the droppings. That's all it takes.
So, if the droppings weren't here, would that save you 7 months of work?
Wouldn't be ethical.
No one need know. Please. I don't want to upset Nick.
Well, I suppose if we got rid of all the trampled weed and we picked up all the poo. But we can't let Nick know about this. He likes to go by the rules, and if you tell him I said that, I will kill you.
Sorry. Me and my big mouth. He was angry with me too.
You got a calf in the ute?
Never liked fences.
We need help. I mean, maybe if I explain everything to Claire,
Nah.
maybe she could get the police.
We'll find the horse. There's no need to get anyone else involved.
You're not telling me everything, are you? Jake, what are you hiding?
I don't know everything about you. And that's okay. We don't have to know each other's secrets.
Sure.
You got family hassles? Me too.
I say we follow the river downstream.
So, this is where a city girl would say, oh no, I broke a nail?
You'll have hands like old saddle leather before you know it.
Thanks, that's very reassuring.
Oh, great.
You're back early?
Yeah. Thought you might get lonely. Obviously not.
I was looking for you, actually. I found another damaged fence.
Yeah, there's a few down.
Yeah, Becky saw a Brumby on the loose. He's not going to let a couple of fences slow him down.
I better find him before he does any more damage, eh? What's all that?
For the veggie garden. Why spend a fortune on manure when you can pick your own?
You girls need to get out more.
Oh, we should forget dinner. We better go and get these brumbies, eh?
Thanks for covering for me.
Ah, well, couldn't leave you in it.
So you want to stay for dinner? Nick's out chasing brumbies anyway. We can cook up a storm.
Sure.
Hey, Mum, got a rush?
Oh, I thought you might stay in tonight. I'm cooking something special.
In aid of...
Well, Terry and I have talked, and we think he should move in now. Unless you have a problem with it.
Well, of course I do. What?
Nah, I think you should have done it ages ago.
Right.
I think it's fantastic you guys have finally got your act together.
So you'll stay for dinner?
Oh, no, I can't. I've got to meet the others in Fisher, and I'm so late. Oh, hey, Terry. Well, I guess this sort of makes you my stepdad, doesn't it?
Yeah, in a way, if you like.
Great. Can I borrow $20?
Jodi, just one night.
You got $20?
Over there. Easy. It's a good boy. Easy. Easy, mate.
Oh, boy.
Always done better odds to.
How's it going?
This wound isn't deep enough to cause much damage. Well,
Oh, he's covered a lot of ground today. Maybe he's worn out. He needs help.
I'll stay with him tonight. I'll take my ute, go home, get some sleep.
What are you gonna do?
I can't leave him. I need to be here if he stands up.
I'll get some wood for a fire.
Becky.
No. I get to spend the night with a good-looking stallion. Who could say no?
Okay.
I'll get the wood.
Well,
Well, we've got eggs. And if you've got an egg, you've got a meal.
Boiling and scrambling I can do. If you want a souffle, you're on your own.
Well, you just open the wine and remember the rules. No asking advice about you-know-who.
Sure, never again. There is just one thing.
Absolutely no.
What went wrong between you two?
Nick's a mate. Nothing's wrong.
Come on, you were more than mates. But you never...
No, we didn't. Got any cheese? What? It was me. It was totally me, and the whole timing of the thing, and this really bad family dinner, and well, you know that Alex and I.
Yeah, you were more than mates.
You know, it's the whole brother thing. It would have been too weird.
I guess so.
And then there is his mother.
Right. Liz can be a bit overwhelming.
Oh, that's a really nice way of putting it. Yeah. Cheers.
When I was pregnant, there was this fly spray ad on the telly. I used to feel so sorry for the fly.
That's awful.
It was a long time ago.
This is great. Just another little pregnancy secret they don't tell you about till it's too late.
Watch a sad video. Gives you a good excuse. Look, I'll fill this up and I'll bring it over to the house.
Thanks.
Hi, Claire. Everything okay?
Yeah, it will be.
This is the last load, I promise. Now, I need to only bring in one more thing tonight.
Oh, Harry!
Come with me, you sexy woman. We've got a whole life waiting for us. Oh, sorry. Sorry, man.
I had this boyfriend once. We broke up because of his ex. Psycho? A little. She knitted him a jumper after they'd broken up.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, he wore it all the time. Smells good.
Yep.
Oh, brilliant. No sticking.
Yeah, the trick is you don't overheat the pan.
I know this might sound strange, but do you ever wish your girlfriend could be your boyfriend?
Yeah, that does sound strange.
I mean, here I am with you and we can talk about anything.
Yeah, well, women talk and men, they pretend to listen sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes I think we'd be better off without them.
Funny they weren't so cute.
Have you ever, you know, with a woman?
Well, not really. Oh, no, there was a kiss once. It didn't go any further. You?
No, but I might have thought about it. I wonder what Nick could make of it.
Well, so long as he could watch, I don't suppose he'd have any objections.
Here's to girlfriends who make you laugh.
And to boyfriends who make you happy.
That Brumby could be anywhere by now. We keep looking or you're fixing every fence he breaks.
Hey, you know, Jenny turned me down too at the sales this morning. You're losing your touch, mate.
It's like I'm cheating on Claire. I'm not even going out with her.
No, that's how it looks.
Yeah. Well, it's not as if she's even like the real Claire at the moment. She's crying all the time and worrying about small furry animals.
Sounds like she'd hurry up and ask her to marry you.
No, she didn't want to. But you know what? I reckon I can hear wedding bells for you and Sally, though.
You're definitely losing your mind, mate.
He'll make it through. He's a fighter.
I hope you're right. Hate to lose him again.
This is personal, isn't it?
I know how upset the owners were. Damien.
The stud manager, right?
Yeah.
My family suck. My parents hate me, and I have a brother in jail. And I used to be pretty messed up.
We have something in common then. And my family suck too. That's something. That's a good sign.
You better go tie him up. We don't want him to get away again.
I really do love you.
You're a hard man to track down. Where's my horse?
It's not your horse, is it?
Get up, love.
Leave her alone. She's got nothing to do with this.
Hurry up.
Now, let's try that again. Where's my horse?
Well, we found him here last night and that's it. He must have done another runner.
Sounds like crap to me. Who you meeting out here? Hey?
Where is the horse?
Where'd he come from?
Don't know. Must have jumped him.
He's not a Brumby, that's for sure.
Not unless they're branding them these days.
Claire, you're not going to do anything stupid, are you?
Oh, boy. Aren't you beautiful? Steady now. Steady, boy.
Claire, will you get back here? You all right?
I'm all right.
You all right? It's okay, just... You don't have to cry.
What have I got to cry about? You're the one who spooked him. Get rid of those flowers. You look ridiculous.
Look who's back!
Morning. Have a good time?
Oh, yeah, the best.
Tea?
Yeah.
Are you all right?
No.
What happened? Where did you go?
I'm fine, Mum. I just miss him. You know, I thought I did the right thing, but I still miss Alberto. I don't know, you meant to keep busy to forget, but I think about him all the time.
Yeah.
And I think I still love him. And I think I made a mistake. Do you want to stop agreeing with me?
Of course you still love him. But you didn't make a mistake.
Why does it hurt so much?
People marry because they want to share a life. One life. You didn't have that with Alberto. But that doesn't mean that you just stopped loving him.
When will it stop?
You're on your way.
Well, we better call on the cops.
Yeah. Pity. If it was a Brumby, we could have kept him for ourselves.
Haven't you adopted enough horses lately, Claire?
No,
It's okay.
Jake, I wouldn't.
It's okay. Hey, boy. There's a good boy. Hey?
You want to tell us what's going on? But the auctioneer was in on it. He had to be.
Receipt of sale. You can verify it with the auctioneer.
What about registration papers, mate? You got any of those?
Oh, they're forged. It's been done before.
You let me go. I take the horse. I won't press charges.
That's Jezebel. Now, you were laundering him through the sale yard.
Who the hell's going to believe that? Where's your proof?
This is it now.
You're not going anywhere, mate.
There's my boy.
Get up. Well, you took your time. It's good to see you too, Jake. Hello, Ben.
So I'm guessing you can prove that horse is Jezebel.
Damien Koshak.
Jack McLeod.
DNA, photos, whatever you need. Be good to get him back. I saw an opportunity, I took it. No different from you.
Well, it's a lot to risk on a horse, all right. Jail for starters.
Not the only one.
I figured Jake knew what he was talking about.
What if he was wrong?
But he wasn't, was he?
Are you still playing at Farmer, Jack?
What if I am?
Is it that important to you?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I get it. When you finish having fun, you come home.
You don't get it. At all.
Mate, you've got other responsibilities.
Why don't you tell the boss you saved his stallion? He'll love it.
All right, so I'll see you when I see you.
Guess you will.
If you ever want your old job back...
You never know.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What?
I guess you'll tell me when you're ready.
Oh. Morning. You sleep well?
Oh, I slept in. Guess you're wondering what I'm doing here.
I'm guessing dinner with Sally.
Yeah. I had a good time, I think. And it didn't include any advice from me at all.
I bet.
I said nothing that any of us would regret, I promise.
Not while you're awake.
What? Sorry?
Oh, nothing.
Sally, she needed company. She was upset about the gate and the sheep and the...
Gate and the sheep.
The sheep got into the wheat, but it's okay. There wasn't any damage. They just crapped everywhere and we cleaned it all up.
Oh, did you now?
Oh, come on. A little bit of sheep poo in the grand scheme of the universe. What does it really matter?
Oh, not much, I guess. Seeing as though they're organic sheep.
What?
Yeah, I bought them at a sale last week. Didn't I tell you?